heavily NATO force regrouping at their resupply, ready to push out.
Zero Alpha, roger that. All call signs be advised, all call signs be advised. There is a NATO force pushing round to the front of the fob. Get him inside the fob, get him inside the fob. Dig in and stand by for a massive counter-attack. Get in there. Boys, set up a defensive position in there, please.
Got it. Get it done.
It's a nice patch. Is that enemy there?
Yeah, I've got it from some mug.
Oh, hit! Medic! I need a medic. I need a proper medic. Get a proper medic!
Need a medic now!
Need a medic here!
Run over there and see if they've got a medic quickly. Otherwise I'm putting one in his head.
Medic! Guys, don't fucking bin ball, run! Need a medic down here now. Need a medic, Are you a medic, yeah?
Yeah.
Quick. Cheers, boy. Where are they?
All along this lawn.
Oh. Magazine. Someone get up. Jay, you got this side, yeah? It is. You're dead, mate, you're dead. You're dead as well, mate. You need to go back to spawn.
Let's get back, Templar 0 Alpha.
Send.
A civilian in the fob with us, what would you like us to do with him?
Needs to tell a marshal,
Yeah, there's one on the way there, Mikey.
Yeah? Boys! Guys! Guys, here, look! You fucking magazine!
Hey!
Other side! Other side!
Call signs, be on the lookout for a DS and send him to the fob. Right lads, so come run.
Get him! Get him! Hit! Dead! Andy! Jay! NATO's commanders apparently ran there and he's worth 500 points, so we need to get around there and medic him and fucking bring him back. Yeah. Hit!
1 to Templar 0 Alpha.
Quick. 6-1 said.
You're moving your arm, man. What's about it?
What's our target? We are at building 11, 12 on Jan's Butt.
Right, we need to fucking get around there, quick. He's in that fucking alleyway there. See the alleyway? Yeah, this alleyway on the other side of this.
Yeah, we need to get...
Guys, stop throwing grenades! You're gonna kill him! Yeah, we need to keep him alive and they're throwing grenades at him. Right, we need to get in that, get a fucking rounds on that alleyway there, because he's taking our guys out. Get a bang in there, Jay. Get a bang in there. He's dead. They're dead. Right, watch that. Clear that right. Guys, extend your perimeter out to these trees, yeah? Where? Okay. Guys, fucking spread out! Is it on? Is it in?
Yes, mate.
Watch out, because around here, this is their spawn area. Coming to you, mate. Where are they?
Fuck no.
Oh, that's their spawn there. I fucking know, mate. Jay, let's push on this fucking... Right, what we need to do, huh? We need to push up here, flank them from this side as well.
We take it?
No, not yet.
Cut off their supplies.
Yeah.
There's about 30 of them just sitting there reaching.
There's NATO there, that's one there. Run and get him. Nah, yeah, probably. Huh?
One on the deck here in the trees!
Have we got the fucking...
Two on the deck in the trees!
Is that... Step back, left. Enemy in the tree line here! Jack! Push up and cut left! They're lying on the floor in the trees! Give him some cover and fire.
NATO forces approaching from the rear of the from the direction of the train track.
Yeah, roger that. How many men do you have in that fob at the moment to defend?
Guys!
Many men in the 4+ vendetta is on the aggressive, pushing them away.
Yeah, roger that. Let me know if it starts getting a tough fight and I'll send guys back.
Yeah, roger out.
We need to move on them, yeah? Yeah. Right, go.
That NATO over there again? Yeah. There's a ton of NATO, he's on his car.
Hey! Jim! Get you... Here, Jim, on me, mate.
know what you want.
Yeah. Fucking tag round, mate, up by the helicopter.
There is a cover here.
Just step out here, here. See him, watch out.
I see him. Ready? Fire.
We need the brig, we haven't got it yet. Push out there, support Jay. Up the tree line.
Come up. It's not going to go through the trees.
Wow. See that coming?
Another dud.
Ah, need a higher angle, mate.
No, I can't get you to hit the tree. That's off.
Oh, will it? Lads, push in. Guys, push up. Magazine. Do you reckon get a fucking smoke up there? Through the trees, mate. Guys, watch your fucking rear. Get to this corner. Lads, get to this corner and cover down there.
One team get coming far, the other move. For fuck's sake, it's enough on you.
Jim, have you got another round? You can get it through a fucking gap in the trees here, mate. Oh, boys. You alright? Quick, Jim. Hang on, wait. Jim, do us a favour.
There's just two of them left there. They're gone now, aren't they?
I think so, mate. Good old guy at the back there. Guys, when you've medicked your blokes outwards, cover outwards or add the fence. Along this fucking tree, like this bush line here, yeah?